right after the clay, the mass, the mud. You know what I mean. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Kishira Shirima, and in today's video we are going to be doing a clay detox mask just to reset our curls for the new year. I have used this a couple of times in 2024 and it has done my curls wonders, so this is why I am so excited to use this again, because I know it's going to give me the results that I have been getting, hopefully, because you know things always change. So shout out to Bread, because this is a staple in my routine, especially when it comes to detoxing my hair and just resetting it and getting ready for me to style it. So before we begin, it also states that the mud mask is a pre-wash treatment, and for ease of application they recommend that you dampen your hair before applying. So I would usually go ahead and just dampen my hair underneath the shower, but since I already have some fenugreek hair mist made already, I'll just make it easier on myself and just mist my hair with this so we can apply the mud mask. I do have a video on how I make this fenugreek tea. It's really simple. I will go ahead and make sure to post this maybe after this video, or maybe I'll go ahead and post it before this video. That way you're able to make it if you want to use it. I've just been using teas for so long that now it's just a part of my routine and I just don't want to use anything else. So I'm going to spend the next about like 5 minutes just making sure that all my strands are saturated. So yeah. Okay, so now that my hair is fully saturated, so is my scalp. I could feel that it's very damp. Everything is moist. I'm going to go ahead and apply this mud mask. Only thing that's really hard is that the material it's made out of, it's really like hard to squeeze once you kind of get down to like using the entire bottle. I wish it was made in something different, but you know. Even though this is a mud mask, my hair feels so soft. I ain't gonna lie, squeezing this out the hurt, like, ugh. I'm going to go over to the sink and rinse this out and come back and show you guys what my hair looks like right after the clay has been, right after the clay, the mass, the mud, you know what I mean, right after I rinse it out, to show you guys my results. I'm thinking if to style my hair in this video or make that another video. I don't know. I gonna see by the end of this video what I want to do. But yeah, this is what I use to detox and reset my hair for the beginning of each month. I kind of like to do this the beginning of the month and maybe the middle, depending on like how my hair feeling. But for the most part, my hair has been feeling really good since I just do a big chop. So every beginning of the month, like the first to second week, I always make sure to use a clay, mud mask, whatever you have, just to detoxify your hair. The recipe that I did use to make consists of bentonite clay, rasul clay, kaolin clay. Those 3 clays mixed with ACV, the one that says made with the mother. And then you could add some oils if you want. I like to add my DIY fenugreek oil to that. So I would mix that, and that would be what I use to detoxify my hair every month. But because I do have this one, and there's still a lot of product in here, it's just so hard to squeeze out, but I will cut the top and like try to scoop out what I need for when I use it again. But once this is done, that's the same exact recipe that I'll be using to detoxify my hair. So if you want to go ahead and get those products and try that, you could go ahead and do that. I would leave the recipe I would use down in the description box, and I would also leave the link to this if you're interested in getting this. Should I cover my hair up, or do you just leave it like this? I don't know. You know what? I won't cover it. I won't cover it because I didn't read, or I can't read because it's so squished, but I guess I could look online and see what it said. But for now, I will just cover it up with a plastic bag and put on my bonnet, and I would let that sit for 20-30 minutes and rinse that out. And yeah, I need to invest in getting a shower cup. But my trusty plastic bag. This is all I have right now, so this is what we're going to use. I was going to use my bonnet, but I found my microfiber hair towel, so I'm going to use that instead.